Hello my lovelies, happy Tuesday. How are you all? I hope you had a lush weekend. We had a busy one, really busy. Cara and little man were with us all weekend because Rory was busy off doing stuff and everything. So there, and he had a house full. So we had the little man all weekend, and he was just so much fun. He was proper little delicious mood, and he was. Oh, he's just got to that really cute, like cheeky age, but. He's like nice cheeky, not naughty cheeky. He's like, yeah, he's cute. So we've had a really busy ladies. Hi Natalie, how are you, darling? Done some prep work as well. Getting ready. So I had Crate and Craft. You know, I still call her Chanda. Crate and Craft on Thursday. Went really well. Really nice show with Martin. And then packing Friday. Busy Saturday, Sunday. And then, loads of prep work yesterday. So, really crazy busy week. And we've got another couple of busy weeks. And then I'm on holiday. Can't wait. I need to see some sunshine because the weather's been on and off here. But I hope you're all okay. Anyway, we are going to get started. I'm going to show you something first. And then we're going to say hello if you're there, my darlings. Just so I know that you're coming online. Because at the minute I can only see one person, Natalie. So hopefully other people are there and you can see me. I am in the right group, I think. Hopefully I am. I'm not in the Moda group. So anyway, I'm going to go over to the overhead over here. First thing I want to show you guys is these. So we are going to be stocking some of Gail from Endless Threads. We're going to be stocking some of her kits, and we're trialing this one to start with. This is her I'm going to lie on its side for a minute so you can see on the camera. This is her sheep handy helper, and he's really nice and sturdy. He sits flat. It sits on your desk. You get everything in the kit, okay? So he's got this cute little pocket, so you don't get the pens, okay, and bits and pieces that are in the back and the scissors, but you've got this lovely little pocket that means that you can keep your scissors and all in the back like that. Look, you can see, put all those there. But you do get all the charms. So you get like the I Love Sewing charm, you get the buttons, you get some clips, you get your there's a little sewing machine charm, little scissors, you get your buttons down here, you even get your safety pins in there. Everything you need to make him, okay, even your tape measure ribbon, okay, so you get everything you need to make him. There are three options. There's the pink flowers, which is this one, okay, because he's pink and he's got flowers everywhere. There's the white stars, okay, so he's white with stars. And then there's another one which I didn't bring over with me, which is white with polka dots, rainbow polka dots. Am I freezing? Is this camera freezing? Hi, we're on the White Gecko page. Brilliant. Thank you, lovely. You love Endless Thread kits, and that sheep is super cute, isn't he? He's delicious. Absolutely delicious. We've only got 3 of each kit. They are $15.50. They are on our website. I've put a link up on our page. But if you guys like the kits and you buy them, then we'll start doing more of her different kits because she's got hundreds. If not, check out Endless Thread website directly because she sells all her kits and patterns and all through there. But we will have some of them for you to have a little look at on our website. So that's that. Right. What we're going to do today is we're going to do some fabric painting. So do you remember ages and ages ago, Sarah bought me some of these pencils. Okay, these are the Derwent Inktense pencils, okay, and they do need to be the Inktense ones for this to work. They are basically, it's ink in a pencil form, all right? But we can fabric paint with these, okay? Now, you can get all different size, sets. You can get a set of 6, you can get a set of, 48, or everything in between type of thing. So you got home safe from visiting. Oh, thanks, Sandra. It's such a long journey for you, isn't it? So what I started playing around with over the weekend was this. So I bought this piece of fabric in Amsterdam when Phil and I went last time, just because I thought it was really cute. And I only bought 1/2 metre and then realised I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with it. So I thought I would paint into it. I would do some painting because I hadn't painted for a long time. And I did a visual arts degree, so, I enjoy painting and stuff. But I thought this would be a nice way of combining my two, sort of like loves, sewing and art. And I know we've looked at the Inktense before, but that was like actually drawing something out and then painting into it. I thought, because I'm going to stretch this over a canvas. So I'm actually got a big canvas. I'm going to stretch it over a canvas, staple it in and put it on the wall. So I wanted to paint all these little houses. And this is like a canvas that I'm using. So again, I was like, oh, I wonder if it'll take on the canvas, but it has really, really well. You can see I've started just drawing in these ones here. And then I was like, oh, what if... So this is just a fat quarter I picked up at the shop. This is part of the gilded range. And I just thought, well, sometimes you might want the fabric and think, oh, I love that, but it needs to have a bit of pink in it, or it needs to have a bit of blue in it, or it needs something to go in your project. So can you see this, guys? Hopefully you can. I might have to drop the camera actually quite far away. So I was like, well, there's no reason why you couldn't change the fabric. So if I was, say, maybe making this into like, I was using this for like a little zipper pouch or something as a present for somebody, you could absolutely have some fun with this and colour. You don't have to colour all of it, but paint in and use this for a project. Or it might be that you want an extra fabric for to finish off a quilt project or something, but you want it to have an extra colour in it. Same with this one, you see. This has got a nice little like leaf design. This is part of Concrete Jungle. I just thought, again, you could, because it's this big, bold graphic design, you could then add in some really beautiful colours into this and make it completely your own. Only you are going to have this fabric then. And it works so quickly and easily. It's something you could, it's quite mindful. If you like a bit of adult colouring, it's just like that. So I thought we'd go through it again and see what sort of it happens when you put it onto canvas, and then, you know, work through these and have a little play. So obviously you're going to need some of the ink pencils, and it only does work with this. There's no point using watercolour pencils. It doesn't take on the fabric. It's got to be the ink pencils. Okay. You need a little bit of water and a brush. I'm actually using one of Jonah's brushes and a makeup brush, because it's got a really, really nice fine tip on it, which meant I could dab it. So you don't even need to buy paint brushes. You could just get your makeup brushes out and use one of those, which is what I'm doing. And once you've painted, once you've ironed it, it goes completely, it sets it into the fabric, and then it's washable. Okay, so you can then wash it. Now, I'm using my wool mats for this because I found when I was on my cutting board doing it, when I'm putting the water on, it was making it pool too much. So I wanted something absorbent. If you haven't got a wool mat, you could just put a towel or something underneath it. But this was actually nice to colour on, and then it soaked it up a little bit when I was doing this. So I just thought we'd have a little play, and you guys can tell me about your weekend. What have you been up to? And we can kind of work through these little, you know, how to use these pencils. And I said, I know we've done this before, but there'll be a lot of you who haven't seen it. So you can absolutely just colour in with a colour pencil like that, and colour in, which is just very mindful. It's very relaxing. It's like being back when you're 6 again. Is this freezing? It's freezing again, isn't it? I've completely frozen. Hang on, guys. Let me just... hang on. I'm going to have to try and start this up again. So, deactivate, activate. Okay. Oh, I'm back. No, that's frozen again, hasn't it? Oh, don't do this to me today. You've been absolutely fine, you rat bag. Right, I'm going to try doing it again. Deactivate, activate. Oh, come on. You were working perfectly. Deactivate, activate. Oh, no, that one's, everything's frozen. Oh, what? This drives me potty. Right, hang on, guys. I'm going to have to try and see if I can get this one to work. Let's try that one. No, it's just lost the camera totally. Right. So, guys, I think I might have to abandon this one. Hang on, let me try taking that out. Sorry, I know the picture's black. This is a new splitter as well. And it's still working. Okay. Deactivate, activate. I've literally got no cameras. I've got nothing. Right, I've got that one. Front facing is working. Why? Why is this not... I checked them all before we came online. I was like, right, okay, sorted. But it's literally not picking up anything. Not picking up any of them now. Oh. Guys, I don't think this is going to work. I can't get the one camera. It's not picking up any, it's not picking up the overhead or the sewing machine. Not that we're going to use the sewing machine today, but it's not picking up that camera either. I've literally only got the front face in. Why? Why are you suddenly... Right, where's this one plugged into? Hang on. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Where's this one plugged? Right, that's plugged into there. So, try that one. Try that one, see if that works. Go back to 3. Activate. No, it's still a dead camera. Oh, hang on. No, it's not that one. That one. Aha! Aha, I'm back! I've got one working. There we go. Right. No, it's frozen again. Oh, this is ridiculous. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Right. That's definitely working. Hello. Hello. I'm going to keep moving my hand just to make it... Okay. The front's okay. You're there. Right. Frozen, 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 frozen. Right. Okay. No, it's gone again, hasn't it? It just doesn't want to... That one doesn't want to work. I don't know why it's working for a little while and then cutting off. Oh, I think I'm going to have to abandon this, guys. I'm so sorry. No, it won't. Okay, I'm back here. Is this one okay? No idea. Oh, okay, right. I've got a front-facing one and that is it. I hate technology. I really hate technology. I've bought a new splitter for it, which is what was the problem last time. I've got a new camera. I just don't understand why it doesn't want to work. Doesn't matter what I do, I can't get that one to work. Right, I'm really sorry, guys. I'm just going to have to leave it, okay, and work on it and try and get it to work for tomorrow night, because this is really... Oh, I was really looking forward to showing you a bit of painting. I've really enjoyed doing it. It's really annoying because it was such a cute little method. Do you want Sarah to come over and hold the phone? Honestly, don't worry, guys. I will... Thanks, lovely. Thanks, Anne. But, yeah, it doesn't really make any difference. I'm going to abandon this, okay? I need to try and sort this out and make sure that we're ready for tomorrow night. Apologies. Technology. I will see you tomorrow night at 7, and these will be working because they're really annoying me. It's just good. It's how my week's going to go, isn't it? I'm telling you. Can you angle the camera that you have down? What if? Hang on. I could, but I'd have to hold it because there's no way of holding it, guys. That's the problem. I've got nothing to hold this one into. So you've got it. But hang on, that way. So, I mean, I could talk you through it, sort of. Kind of. Oh, sorry, it's so wobbly, isn't it? And I can't really tell where the camera is. Basically, you use the pencils to colour in, like this, and then you just add water. So it looks quite faint there, but the second you start to add water, okay, you can build the colour up, okay. Kind of show you here on the one camera. I'm trying to do everything like one-handed, okay, and then you can wash it out as well. So you can put more water on and sort of drag that colour out, so you can get shading and things, which is just a lovely effect, really, really nice effect. It gets really slightly watery coloured. But while it's wet, you can then go in and add with your pencil and add much darker, deeper, you know, like the shadow underneath the windows and all, where the sun's hitting it. You know, because it's a wet on wet technique then. And you can add in like all your different little, sorry, can you see that? I don't know if you can see this very well. Basically, once you've coloured everything in and added your water, this is going to be really difficult because I'm trying to do this one-handed now. You can you put a piece of kitchen roll over the top and just iron it to dry it. Okay, once you dry it like that, okay, it's then set. Okay, once you've got the majority of the water off, once it's set like that, it's there. But you can go back in and add more if you want to. So you can then re-go into areas and think, all right, I want that a bit more colour in there, and etc. like that. And then put more water on it, and you can build it up and build it up. So it's a really nice technique if you like your adult colouring. If I see if I can do this one, you can see I did that with this. Hang on, I'm sorry, I know this is really wobbly, but it's the only way I can show you. Can you see this little floral here? All I did was use, in fact, actually, if I do it on this one here, use my pencil just in the very centre. Okay, so just put some colour in the very centre, like that. Okay, didn't need a lot. And then when you add your water, you can drag that out and just add the water to the pencil, like that. Drop more water, clean water, and drag out that colour at the edges. So you're getting like little sort of shaded florals, like that. Again, put my piece of kitchen roll over the top and iron it just to get the excess water out. And then like that. And can you see how that's faded down a little bit now? And again, you can then go in and give it a weeny bit more definition if you want it, slightly darker or whatever, like that. Okay, again with your leaves and stuff, you can build those up exactly the same way. So you can just add a little bit of colour along like that centre bit, and it makes them quite 3D then. Okay, so if I do that and then just clean water, clean brush each time. Sorry, this is really wobbly because I'm trying to hold it with one hand. And just let that water kind of disperse it out. And you get these lovely sort of 3D effects. Can you see? Hopefully you can see that. Can you see how that's worked? Just give that a quick iron. Like that. Okay. So that was my idea. I was going to show you all different techniques and stuff and things, but... Oh, hello, I'm back. But the stupid cameras aren't working. So I was going to show you some different techniques about building up colours and things and stuff. However, these... Oh, look at the state of that. It's a really nice way of adding your own personality and style into fabrics that you already own. You're creating your own fabric then. There is nothing then stopping you then like stitching into this with different threads and things. You could do like thread painting and all as well, or appliquing little bits on, or little tiny beads and things in the centre. You can then embellish it as you want, but I just think it's a really nice technique. And I wanted to show you lots of things, but stupid cameras. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that for now because it's very difficult to show you other things when I'm trying to hold a camera. I'm going to go and shout at the technology a lot, and we'll see if we can... it's like, why is the one at the front working but nothing else? That's the crazy thing. The one at the front's working, and that's plugged into the splitter, but nothing else is. Ugh, grr, arg. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you with all that. I will see you tomorrow at 7. Hopefully all of this will be working, okay? And yeah. Take care, my loves. See you tomorrow night. Bye.